Hi, back again for another episode of Goa. I'm sure you're going to like this as much as I'm liking this cucumber. Oh, why I'm eating this cucumber? We have come today for the fest of these cucumbers. The feast that we are going to attend today is called as the Touxanche Fest, and this is celebrated in the village of Talaulim in Curca. So you see the bridge behind me. This is the the Curca bridge, not Siridam bridge, Curca bridge. And how to go over there? Okay, I will tell you. When you come from Panjim, after you cross the Siridam bridge, near the bypass, you take a left. Go further down through the Goa Valley market and then take a left again. There is a nice board over there which gives you the direction to Santan, to Curca, to Bating. And then you proceed straight down until you come to a wonderful church. And ladies and gentlemen, you are passing between beautiful coconut groves. On either side you will see salt pans, because of this area, the Curca area, along with Santa Cruz, was producing a lot of salt, sea salt. Well, besides that and the beautiful greenery around, the festival of cucumbers is celebrated at Saint Anna's Church, which was built in 1695, but initiated as a hermitage in the year 1577. Now, what is this church? And by the way, this church is one of the biggest churches in Goa, and it was designed, the frontage as well as the whole structure has been designed on similar lines to the church that once existed, where the St. Augustine's ruins are there, convent ruins are there. That church in St. Augustine's ruins, or in that convent earlier, was dedicated to Nossa Senhora da Graça, or Our Lady of Grace. And this church facade is also designed as per that. But instead of sitting down here, and yes, such lovely greenery over here, which again prompts me to repeat my sentence, Goa is a land of 1,000 greens, beautiful shades. But instead of just watching this over here, let us now head to the church of Saint Anna of Talaulim and come to know why they celebrate this festival dedicated to the cucumber. Come on, let's not waste time. And by the way, next time you eat a cucumber, cut this, put a little salt, put a little bit of mirchi powder or chili powder, and then see the taste. Once the season of cucumbers is over, you will definitely wait next year to eat the cucumbers back again. That's what I'm doing right now. So finally, I have reached the church of Saint Anna or Santana in the Talaulim village of Curca. And here you can see this lady is sitting down here with cucumbers, because we have come here today for the Touxanche Fest, or the festival of cucumbers. Not only do we have cucumbers here, we also have got cucumbers being sold here and at other places. So ladies and gentlemen, what we will do is we will understand from the people why they are having this, what is the reasoning behind having this cucumber festival, and who are the people who are coming over here. Because remember one thing, in Goa, we don't say or just say or talk about communal harmony. We talk and we walk. Our communal harmony is displayed practically at every festival, be it a Hindu festival or at a Catholic festival. And here you will see, for this festival of cucumbers or the Touxanche Fest, what I mean by communal harmony. Let's go in and watch the proceedings. So, when I say that it is the biggest church in Goa, designed after Nossa Senhora da Graça, which was at one time in St. Augustine's Tower, or Tower Convent, where we can see the ruins today, this particular church is 5 stories tall. It's almost about 100 and odd feet wide, and it's 110 feet tall. Earlier, there was nothing over here. Very close by, there is the Gauri Maura or the Maura area. And where I am standing to my right was the earlier capital of the Kadam kings, and that port was called as Gopakapattan. And the road that brought those Kadamba kings from Gopakapattam to their third capital, Goa Velya or Gopakapattam was their second capital after Chandor. And the Kadam kings, because the river started silting, they shifted their capital to Old Goa at Ella. And the road that connected Ellapuri or Ella at Old Goa from Gopakapattan passed from here. It is called as Rajviti. But sadly, because of development, because of the need of the hour, this Rajviti, which was earlier a very rough road made out of stones called as the Pas, now it has been tarred. This church is dedicated to Saint Anna and Joachim, the parents of Mother Mary and grandparents of Lord Jesus Christ. When we say Saint Anna, it also sounds like Santan. Santan means a child. And today's festival of Toshi or Touxanche Fest or the festival of cucumbers is about bearing children. Let us see how this works inside. The mass is going on. Let's cover that up. Behind me, you can see the police band, the Goa police band, and this particular band is playing here because this has been declared as a state festival. The erstwhile MLA asked for this, and here you can see the wonderful Goa police band. This Goa police band is led by ASI Andrew Pereira. We'll hear them playing soon. Ladies and gentlemen, behind me you can see the procession that has started, and this is going to go all around and it will enter the church again. Now we will see this, and this is accompanied by the brass band which is playing behind, and you can hear the gornals. This is how a feast is celebrated. Well, we have managed to ask for precious time from Father Roland Carvalho, who is the parish priest of Mandur and the Dean of Goa. Father, please welcome to my program called My Goem, where we are bringing everything good about Goa to the people of the world. And here in this place, in this village, there is an amazing festival called the Touxanche Fest. Can you tell us a little bit of history of this church? I mean, if you know the history of the church, or why, how this thing happens, or why it happens?
Okay. आयज हांगासर म्हणजे 26 तारखेर वर्षी कायद्यान सेवाधर्मीक कायद्या प्रमाणे 26 जुलयाची बागयोन जोके आनी बागयोन आनांची परब जाता, जी जावन आसात आवय बापूय आंकवार मारयेची सायबीण मायेची आनी आज जो आनी आजी जेजूची देखून पूण ही इगोर्ज बागयोन आनांक भेटयली इगोर्ज आनी आमच्या गोंयांत ही आयज फेस्त आमच्या सरकारान फुरयान फेस्टिवल ऑफ गोवा म्हणून
स्टेट
फेस्टिवल अशें म्हणून नांव दिल्लें आसा.
This is a festival of faith, amazing faith, and where people have found results. This is what Father tells us. I think there are a lot of people waiting for Father to bless their children. So let me say, Dev Bare Karo, Father. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the procession got over and the people came in, we saw that there was a very sacred relic that was placed over here, and every person who was coming was venerating it. Now what we did was, we got in touch with the parish priest of the St. Anna's Church at Talaulim here, Father John C. Pereira. Father, welcome to my program called as My Goem. Father, can you please tell us, there is this relic kept over here. What is this relic?
It is a sacred cloth of that Saint Anne.
This is a piece of the cloth of Saint Anne. Wow. Now that is to be revered, and that is kept over here for people to venerate. Yes. And Father, could you also tell, because there are our Goan brothers and sisters who are settled in US, in UK, all over the place, and they are far away from our land, they would like to know about our land. We find a lot of people, we are known for communal harmony, and we find a lot of people coming over here.
They are different kind of people, Hindu, even Muslim came today.
Okay.
Those who have no children, they come to ask in favor.
Okay.
In Portuguese it is said, "Tomai pepino," the meaning means take this cucumber and give me a child.
Okay.
There is another need. A boy come for a girl, drinking spoons.
Okay.
He said, "Tomai kuler da imuler."
Okay.
The third is that girl come to ask a partner. She says, "Tomai uriyat tai marit." Take this
Udid.
cereals and give me husband.
Okay.
So they come, and after that the girl come to fulfill with the bangles.
So when she gets her husband, she brings those pseudo.
Brings.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that in a Goan marriage, whether it is Hindu or it is in the Catholic community, the girl always wear green bangles, and that is called
When the
as
proposal is done.
when the proposal is done. That green bangles are very important, and afterwards what Father Pereira tells us, they come here and they offer the green bangles. That is the reason why you see the bangles over here. So Father, thank you very much, and I hope that many more people from all over the world come here, and the festival of Goa goes to all of them.
आनी एक 8वीच गजाल म्हणल्यार आनी भावार्थाची म्हणल्यार मिलाग्रीची गजाल म्हणल्यार पोंदूच्या वर्साक मागलेली फुडल्या वर्साक भुरग्यांक घेवन येता.
Now here we have got Mr. Mayuresh and Gautami Shetty from Merces, and they have come with this cute little fellow who is smiling at me. Mayuresh Bab, please tell me, you have come here with your child.
Yeah,
Why?
because we have made a player last year.
Okay,
Yeah.
both of you all came
Yeah,
here.
both of them came.
Okay, and what did you offer the Saint Anna's?
The Touxanche. Yeah.
The
Two
Touxanche.
Touxanches and one we have to take and we have to take home. Yeah.
And after that,
after that we have to eat both.
you have to eat
Yeah.
both of them. Okay, and then you got this gift from God.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, if
So now,
you also would like to come here, I think they have given you a reason. So ladies and gentlemen, here you can see the rope of the bell. I'm climbing the bell tower to go to the choir balcony, and you can see how it has been maintained. But in 1695, they constructed this entire thing, and this rope that you see here is actually pulled from outside and it rings the bell. So I won't touch it, and let us go and see what we can see from the choir balcony. The view outside, you know, from this choir balcony where I am standing over here, this has got an amazing choir balcony here. The view outside is amazing. It's green. You can see the entire village over here. But I have come to the choir balcony for another reason. Now, you'll notice that people are sitting over here and people would like to have a closer look. You also know that this is a 5-storied building, so the walls were very thick. They used these walls, and I'm going to show you what they did. They actually put a tunnel in between these walls for the reason, not for aesthetics, but when people came late and there was place right in front to sit, you didn't have to walk through the people, but you could walk through the wall and come out wherever there was space. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to now walk through that tunnel. here I have come out without disturbing anybody, and I am standing over here. Possibly at one time people were sitting down here, high dignitaries, to hear the mass. But when we go down to the lower floor, I will show you how they used to walk in over there. So now you know they put every bit of our house and masonry to good use. Let's go down. I'm going out back. Here I am. I am the Buyaratlo Munis. So behind me you can see the Church of Talaulim, dedicated to Saint Anna. Now it's a custom that when you come to a village and you know somebody, you come and you visit them and you wish them. And I know a good friend of mine, and I can see that when I have come into their house, they already started partying. And here they are, my friends, Jerry, Maria and Sanya. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to a place where the feast food has been served. So let us find out from Maria Bai. Maria Bai, what are all these? Have you made all this?
Some I made, some is from outside.
Okay.
What do you call it? Gujarati mas pork,
The pork, okay.
kaprial,
Okay.
chicken shagudi.
Very nice. And these are the beautiful sannas. Wow. So these are sannas that you have to make or are always made
Otherwise it
for
doesn't
this.
look like a feast.
It doesn't look like. And by the way, did Jerry help you?
No.
I think the silence and the no says it all. But even then, let's see the sannas, how they are made. Let's see them. And after we see, I am going to put a curtain across this lens, and I am going to dive into this. Kui kui. This is called as the kofro, or where the sannas are steamed, just like we have the idlis. So this is the traditional Goan steamer, not that steamer, the boat, steaming vessel where sannas are made. So ladies and gentlemen, for a short time, curtains. The food was good, amazingly. You have seen that food. So a time has come now to thank Maria Bai.
Thank you.
Happy feast again, Jerry Bob and Shania. And also a time to wish a happy feast to all the gentlemen who are here, who are enjoying the feast. Happy feast to all of you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now the time has come where I bid adieu to everybody. If you find the program good, or if you find that there is something at your end and you would like to tell me, please write to us on the email that you see over here, and we will come to your place, pick up the good things about Goa that need to be saved. A time has come that we Goans have forgotten quite a lot of things about Goa. A time, please give us, so that we can come and, like Maria Bai, Jerry and all the people here are participating in this unique festival called as the Touxanche Fest. Why not you to participate, and let us preserve the ethos, the Goenkarpon of Goa. So till we meet again, signing off.